Picture this, you're chilling on the sofa, suddenly someone paddles right through your living room. You're lying in bed, and a wee guy comes up taking photos of you. You go to the toilet and there's a drone hovering above your head. Pretty stressful, hey? You'd want to move house. This thought came to me when I visited Forvie National Nature Reserve, managed by NatureScot. I came here to see seals, and they're not hard to find. Listen to them. But we have to give them space. This is their home, and I'm only a visitor here. Some of the land here is kept as a sanctuary to the birds and seals, and visitors are asked to keep out. But this place is vast. Forvie has one of the largest, most natural dune systems in the country, and the wide open beach is huge. It's an ideal place to walk or run, or even let your dog run. Just keep it on a lead or under control elsewhere. The Scottish Outdoor Access Code gives us amazing freedom to explore Scotland, but we have to be responsible at the same time. National nature reserves like this give places for our wildlife to thrive, so we can help them by making the right decisions. So on World Oceans Day, in fact on any day, take only photos and leave only footprints.